This message is transmitted in the request of the Madison County Police Department. Your attention is advised. At 12:28 p.m., a hostile organism has been reported near the Madison County State Park. We have received information that this organism is hostile and may injure any living being near it. Where this organism came from is still unknown. We are working with the Global Anomaly Protection Organization, but in the meantime, you need to lock all doors and windows, and have access to a loaded firearm or any ranged weapon. This organism can shapeshift into any living being it wants, and it can copy the voice of the living being that it shapeshift into. If you are outside your property, try to take shelter in any building, or cover yourself with anything. This organism can't detect camouflage. Thank you for your attention. We hope you understand what information we gave you.